In today's video, I'm going to teach you adding or subtracting time in Google Sheets without functions. We'll keep it simple by using basic cell formatting and the plus or minus operators so you won't need specialized functions. Start by entering your start time in cell B1. For example, type 9 o'clock a.m. Now this part is important. Format that cell as a time value so Sheets treats it correctly. With B1 selected, go to Format Number and choose Time. This tells Sheets that the value represents a time of day, which is essential for accurate calculations. Next, enter the duration in cell C1. If you want 2 hours and 30 minutes, type 2:30. Durations are different from times of day, so be sure to format C1 as a duration. With C1 selected, go to Format Number and pick Duration. This prevents Sheets from interpreting the entry as a clock time and makes it behave like a length of time that can be added or subtracted. Now let's calculate. Click on D1 where you want the result. Since we want a result that looks like a time of day, format D1 as time using format number time. To add time, type as B1, C1, and press enter. You'll see the start time move forward by the duration. To subtract, use atos B1 C1 instead, and the result will move backward by that duration. If you'll be totaling or accumulating time and expect results beyond 24 hours, the default time format will wrap after a day. To display totals properly, apply a custom format, select the result cell, go to Format Number, More Formats, Custom Number Format, and enter Hey MM. The square brackets tell Sheets to keep counting hours past 24 instead of rolling over. This is perfect for schedules, timesheets, or tracking long-running tasks. A few tips to keep everything smooth. Make sure you've chosen time for actual clock times and duration for lengths of time. If you see unexpected results or a series of hash symbols, it usually means the cell formatting doesn't match the data or the result is negative. Google Sheets can't show negative times in standard time format, so adjust your inputs if subtraction would go below 0. You can also copy your formula down a column to apply the same logic to multiple rows. That's all there is to it. By setting the right formats and using simple addition or subtraction, you can handle time in Google Sheets quickly and reliably without any extra functions.